Hello everyone. This video is about trigonometric formulas. If you don't know about right triangle, please prefer previous video. There are 6 trigonometric formulas and 3 of them are capital ones. Those are sine, cosine, tan. Trigonometric formulas is considered with an angle. So I selected BC angle as beta. Then sin beta is opposite side over hypotenuse. And cos beta means adjacent side over hypotenuse. And finally tan beta means opposite side over adjacent side. There is a relationship between these 3 formulas. That is tan beta is equal to sin beta over cos beta. This proof is on previous video. If you have any doubt about it, then go into video. Next we are going to learn about other 3 formulas. Those are cosec, secant, and cot. Cosec beta means hypotenuse over opposite side. And sec beta means hypotenuse over adjacent side. Finally cot beta means adjacent side over opposite side. Now we are going to get a connection between these 3 and previous 3 formulas. Okay, first look at cosec beta. We can rewrite cosec beta like this. AB over AC means sin beta. So cosec beta is equal to 1 over sin beta. Let's go into sec beta. It also can rewrite like this. Then BC over AC is cos beta. So sec beta is equal to 1 over cos beta. Finally look at cot beta. It also can rewrite like this, and this is cot beta. So cot beta is equal to 1 over tan beta. And also we can get cot beta as cos beta over sin beta. It is for your self-studies. If you have any doubt or suggestion, don't be shy and tell in comment section. See you in next video. Stay safe.